Hi, it's Les. Now, how to change your Substack publication name quick and easy. This is a very simple thing to do. It's not complicated at all. It will only take me a few seconds to show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is be on your Substack dashboard here. All right. You don't want to be on your profile over here. You want to be on the dashboard itself. So for example, if I was on my website over here, I would want to click on here and get back to my dashboard. Okay, so you want to be on the dashboard itself. Now, if you look down on this left-hand side, at the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see something called settings. So click on the settings tab there. And to change your publication name, it's simply a question of going into the basics, which is at the top, and changing the publication name from what it is at the moment. Okay, just a note, when you change your publication name, make sure it's something that reflects what you do, something someone coming new to your publication would understand what you're doing. Clever publication names, it's all very clever and all the rest of it, but you've only got a couple of seconds to let people know what you do. So it's a good idea that your publication name reflects what you do, and also leave it a little bit flexible in that if you want to slightly pivot, you can do so and it will still fit within the publication name that you've chosen. Now, if you found that helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps get the information out to other people. We can help other Substackers by sharing the information. And leave a comment if there's anything you're unsure of. I reply to all the comments myself, so feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you just as quickly as I can. Okay, so that's it. That's how you change your publication name quick and easy. I hope that's helpful. Have a look in the description. I've left something there for you as a bonus from myself. And we'll talk again soon. Hope that helped. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.